Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling face recognition on Google Photos. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Google Photos app and then tap your profile icon from the top right of the screen. From here, open Photos Settings. Enable the toggle for face grouping. You can also enable pet grouping too and show your pets in the same People folder. Google will now analyze your library and group together photos of different people and pets into their own albums. You will now need to wait for a few hours or longer depending on the size of your photo library. Once it's done, you will find a People section in your library with a different album for each person and pet that it's recognized. You will then be able to name each person. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Google Photos tips and tricks.